She's gonna tell everyone.
Time to eat!
Miércoles.
The Guzmans and the Madrigals together will be so good for the Encanto.
Yes. Then let's hope tonight is not a horrible disaster.
To a perfect night. Salud!
Salud!
Camilo, fix your face.
Water.
Mirabel, the cream, please.
Poppy cream.
Peppa, the cloud.
Noel. Everything okay?
Everything is great. She's just excited for you to propose, which you should do as fast as you can.
I was actually gonna...
Well, since everyone here has a talent, my Mariano wants to begin with a song. Luisa, could you bring over the piano?
Okay.
It's actually family tradition to sing after.
Isabella, most graceful of queens.
You're doing great.
The most
Perfect.
flower in this entire Encanto. Will you marry?
Señora, por favor.
Please, there's gotta be an explanation.
I'm a loser!
What did you do? I'm not doing anything. It's Bruno's vision.
The magic is strong! We are the Madrigals!